Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
What's up guys, what's up? This is your girl Shakima and I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I still have on the same clothes from this morning. So now it's dinner time. I finished to do everything I have to do and now I'm going to make some dinner for me and the kids. So this afternoon we're going to make some vegetable pasta. I see this noodles yesterday inside Super U. So I decide, you know what, Kissy, let us try. I like the different color, the vibrant color that it giving, and it has some of my favorite colors inside it, like the yellow and the green, and you know the purple is Kisara favorite. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to the video as yet, this is a pasta, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, join the family. We do a lot over here. And yeah, so let's get started making this pasta. Okay guys, so I'm just going to add some salt to the water. I'm salting the water so the noodles can cook with some flavors. And now I'm going to add the noodle. I'm going to use half bag of this noodle. About that, that's good. And I'm going to leave it boil. It's beautiful. Colors are pretty. So anyway guys, let's get started. Meanwhile the noodles over there cooking, let's get started with the veggies. Okay guys, so here I have inside on this board I have some tomatoes, some red pepper bell, some green pepper bell, some onion, and some fresh garlic right there. So I'm just going to add them to the pot. Saute, and I'm going to leave the garlic for later. So I'm just sauteing these veggies. Just like that. And I'm going to season the veggies as I go along. So I'm going to add some of my favorite seasonings to the pot, like complete season. Yeah. Some black pepper also to the pot. And then today guys, I made some coleslaw. So when I was making the coleslaw, I was thinking on the pasta. So what I did, I leave back some of the cabbage and carrot inside the bowl so I could incorporate it inside my pasta, trying something different. So now I'm going to add it to my veggies in the pot, like so. And this is the time I'm going to also add my garlic. And I put the garlic now because I don't want the garlic to burn. So it gives me that bitter flavor. So you know, once the garlic burns, that's it. So I'm just going to saute it a little bit, not too much. You see that guys? This can eat just like that. You know, when I was small growing up, even now I still make steamed cabbage. It's not even when I was just small, even now as a big woman I still make steamed cabbage at my home for my kids, or some cabbage with some salt fish inside it. You know, all of that. So I'm going to leave this, do it steam. And as I say, I'm not going to cook it too soft. Meanwhile, I'm waiting on the pasta to cook. So Oh, you know what, guys? Let me add some baby spinach inside it also to brighten up the color and, you know, get some more veggie inside the dish. And you know, the spinach going to wilt down small inside the pot. No care how much spinach you put inside a pot, it always come down to nothing. Once the heat catch it, the steam or heat, it start to break itself down. And right now I'm going to add a little bit more complete seasoning inside it. Guys, you should smell this. This smells so good. So good. And I'm going to add also a little bit of red pepper flakes inside it. And my daughter said I should add a little bit of chia seed in it, but I'm going to wait for last to add the chia seed inside it. So we're improvising, we're cooking and we're improvising. We're just getting different things and putting them together. Okay guys, so my pasta is finished to cook. Look at it, guys. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to turn off the stove, turn off the heat, and then I'm going to add it from that over to this. Just like that. And meanwhile it coming over here, you have some of the pasta water, because through it's inside the shelf like this, it's taking up some of the water and adding it also to the pot. Then now I don't want no more water, no more pasta water inside it, so I'm just going to shake it like this off the excess water and add it to the pot. The colors are so beautiful. Okay, now, and I'm going to incorporate everything together. Just like that. So now guys, I'm going to add a little bit more complete season to the pot. Mix that in. And that's it. We're finished. It's good to go. So now I'm just going to plate up some, turn off the heat, get me my pasta bowl. So I'm going to put some in a bowl and some in a plate, so I have different variety. And now for the taste test. Okay guys, so let me taste it for you. Try to take a little bit of everything, some of the veggies, some of the pasta, and it's so hot. It's so good. It's so good. It's so delicious. Anyway guys, we're out. See you in the next video. Hope you try this recipe, and if you try it guys, tag me so I can see how you do it and how it come out and if you like it. we're out. Remember to put God first in everything you do, because God is love.